Right. Come on. What's plan of attack now? Because shop's been taken over.
Taking off a bit, what though?
Well, I wanted that one out. That's done. That's take a front end off at Mercedes, so Mercedes wouldn't have to be in here.
Yeah, it's alright, I can go outside.
But we've just had a delivery on pop top roofs.
Yeah.
And the smack bang. Middle of the shop. We've got some all there. What we got? How many is there? 6 and one over there to do. So we're 7 roofs to do. And we didn't think we were getting any roofs, so we've taken some jobs on, private jobs, thinking there were no roofs coming. So now we've got 7 roofs to do, plus jobs. So what's plan? What we're going to move these roofs, so we're taking cars outside. We've got no parking spots because we've got cars parked everywhere. All the joys, motor trade.
I'm gonna just whip these ropes over there, save these top 2 right up here, and then move rest on top of there.
Why?
Because these are getting done first, aren't they? And if we end up putting them on there, they're going to be at bottom.
Right,
So move these 2 out of the way, put rest on top of there, then put these back on top of there, and then we could probably whip these out quickly onto 2 stands, just so they're out.
Right.
Pull that nurse out, pull the van out.
Squid it oven.
What's going on?
Yeah, am I doing them black pieces?
Yeah.
So I'm going
quickly.
some transporter bits over there.
I'm
Gonna get them glossed up black.
I'm gonna polish that. I'm gonna polish this here, this Fiesta, and I'm gonna fix that side skirt on that grain because that'll take me about half an hour, and I can ring them and say, "Come get these." So there's 2 spaces out of the way.
What about?
I'm gonna prep that edge.
What about them there?
What? They're for grey. They're not fot grey van, but they're wick grey van. So.
Do you want me to do them?
ABT kit. I don't know what colour centre it is though, because it's an ABT back bumper.
So what's plan? Are they just getting left there then?
Yeah, I wasn't planning on doing that with them. I was just getting them out because I've done them with someone else.
Before we forget.
Yeah.
Sent them that way, we're
Sent
back.
them back with them back.
Right, not bit first time.
Yeah.
That's it then. So I'm gonna go in there and paint them.
Whatever.
I'm gonna get them black bits done. I've got a couple of bits grey. She's coming for a van.
Oh, yeah,
She's coming for a van. That's it. We're out.
if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning.
It's Friday, it's home time. You've just seen me finish them roofs off, got them painted. There's still a pile left to do, but I just squeezed two in while we were doing other stuff. And Char's on this S3, which you might see this video next week.
Yeah, we found some more filler to do in it.
We found some more filler to do in it, look. Yeah, the skills no node bounds that did this before. So, Char's straightening it all. What wants to add for finishing on Friday?
Through accusations about I'm trying to straighten it. Right, we'll wait until it's painted. Right,
Is he insinuating that he's not going to get it straight?
no, we'll only say it's going to be straight when it's straight.
Yeah, alright.
I'm not going to say I'm better than them. I want to wait until it's painted. And then when it's straight, I'll say, well, it's all until it's done. So don't be putting this video out to me. Don't be putting this out until it's done. And I'll tell you something else. Don't be fucking painting this on the weekend. This is my bastard. This is mine.
It's alright, I'll do all easy jobs.
They fucking nicked van off me. They nicked that van off me. I'm doing this colour.
Don't know the reason why I nicked that bin off there.
Why?
Why? Because I didn't sign up to do them bits, that's why.
They're not having this.
I don't want it. Don't want it. So, anyway, that's
Not spending 3 bleeding days rubbing body filler, then finding some more body filler, then a great crack it bumper, make it leaks fit, right? For thee to come across, go, fucking hell, I'm in a right job, I'm look at it, look at it. I'm not having that.
I'll do it.
you talk.
This is my baby. This is my baby.
Well, this video will be going out this week. It don't matter if this car's on it, because at the end of the day, you're only seeing it halfway through, so it makes a difference. This is finishing off Friday, and stuff I've been on with, and stuff he's been on with. This is all he's been on with, so it's alright.
Didn't have to do the tranny.
Oh, well, we've already seen that tranny though.
Still done it.
Not this week.
Well, this week. Well, Monday, mate.
Alright?
Ah.
Alright, I'll lay him off then.
Do you want me to tell you how big this job is?
No, it's about
I'll tell you how big.
4 metres long.
258 gigabytes this job. That's how much filming there is.
Yeah, well,
258.
I'll bet that there's less than a gig that goes on Bastard YouTube. Because there's no way it's all going in. End up falling to sleep listening to this fucking idiot talk.
Yeah, might have to go in 2 parts.
It's Mr. Zero. Probably have to be 20 parts.
Oh, yeah, well, what's that done like?
Listen to an argument about what I've done.
Oh, yeah, well,
This is about you.
Like a full episode.
This is about you. We can do a month's worth of episodes with you, yeah.
Why is that? We will do, won't we?
Oh, waffling that does.
Yeah, we will do.
Right, we're signing out. We'll see you next week.